Hey guys, Rob Avis here. I just stopped to get a bite to eat, and we just had a massive thunderstorm. And it's really cool because the parking lot that I stopped in has this rain garden right here. And so I couldn't not make a little video about it because I think it's such a great solution to stormwater management. So you'll notice that the water back there is flowing down. So they've created a low point right here. And the bed's actually just percolating like crazy. So it's just absorbing all this water. They've probably put a medium in here that's conducive to it. And these plants are thriving. And so they've tied a water harvesting element, the driveway or the parking lot, to a water harvesting element that wants the water. And then they're putting it to productive use by putting all these plants in here. It makes so much sense. Every city should do this. So if you are in a city where this isn't happening, send a letter to your politicians. One actually handwritten letter is worth like 50 letters because so few people do it. So get rain gardens into your city and start dealing with the stormwater liability and beautify your city as a response. Hopefully you found that useful, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you in the next video.